Hey guys, today I'm doing an unboxing video, and it's from bravewilderness.com, and I'm going to unbox it today. And we have a gray hat from Brave Wilderness, a blue hat from Brave Wilderness, and we have a hoodie from Brave Wilderness. Package. Oh, dang. Here's the hoodie.
What's on it?
Brave Wilderness with an octopus.
Cool. Okay, what else you got?
I have a t-shirt from Brave Wilderness. Let me get this one out of the package. Oh. That's easy. Oh, and we got a sticker. 2 stickers. And this.
An invoice. Okay. You're gonna show them the t-shirt?
And this is the t-shirt.
Okay. What's Brave Wilderness?
Brave Wilderness is where Coyote Peterson and Mark and Mario film Coyote Peterson catching and handling animals, and Coyote Peterson tells me and everybody else who watches Brave Wilderness what you should do when you encounter animals and when you get stung, bit by them, and he does really cool stuff. Bye.